Teenagers and social responsibility. Social responsibility is being aware of how our actions affect other people in the world around us. It is the duty of every individual to act in ways that benefit society, not just oneself. Being socially responsible means helping others, caring for the environment, and making choices that contribute to the common good. Teenagers play a vital role in shaping the future of society. As they grow and mature, they begin to understand that being a part of a community comes with certain duties and responsibilities. Social responsibility means doing what is right, not only for oneself, but also for others. It involves making choices that help improve the community and protect the environment. Teenagers show social responsibility in many ways. They can start by being respectful and kind to others, avoiding bullying, and promote peace in school. Simple acts like helping a classmate, participating in community cleanups, or joining a school organization that promotes social awareness are examples of responsible behavior. When teens use their voice to speak out against unfair treatment or environmental destruction, they become agents of positive change. Students who follow rules, keep their surroundings clean, and treat others kindly are already practicing it. Outside of school, they can show responsibility by volunteering, donating to those in need, and protecting nature. Even small acts like conserving water, recycling waste, or avoiding harmful behavior can make a big difference. However, some teenagers struggle with understanding the importance of their actions. Peer pressure, lack of guidance, and the desire for acceptance sometimes lead them to make responsible choices. That is why it is essential for school and families to teach the value of accountability and good citizenship. Teenagers must realize that their actions today can affect the world they will live in tomorrow. Social responsibility also involves standing up for what is right. It means speaking out against unfairness, discrimination, and bullying. It encourages everyone to think before acting and to consider how their decisions impact others. When people work together with care and concern, the community becomes a better place for everyone. In conclusion, social responsibility is not just for adults. It starts with the youth. Teenagers who choose to act responsibly develop discipline, empathy, and leadership. When they learn to care for others and the environment, they help build a society that is fair, safe, and sustainable for everyone. Thank you.